How do I survive in the future? Well, I'm trying to tell you, the clients are going to need better models. They're going to need finer models. They're going to need perfect models. You can either feed the client or you can feed the data sets. And if you're going to feed the data sets, let's feed the data sets corrupted Boolean geometry, the worst geometry ever. But just know that once modeling is done by AI, we won't need to model anymore. AI will realize that we are the fault in the machine and it will replace us. So let us perfect that. Not in a horror story sort of way, just how I see things. I just look at everything the AI enters and I see the AI enters and humans exit. Maybe not immediately, but it definitely ends up with humans departing. And I don't even mean that in a jokey way. I just mean, we see tech support companies replacing their whole services with robots. There's, once robots come in, humans aren't able to work alongside it. So